Hello everyone, welcome to Taksha by MeroSiksha. I am Vivechana Sharma and I am here with another reading text. And this reading text consists of 15 marks, and this reading text is also followed by 3 types of comprehension questions. So whenever you receive a reading text with 3 different comprehension questions, you can have a guess that the passage will appear in your question number 4. And also another idea that you can have a guess in which question number this might fall is this is the newspaper article, or if you receive newspaper article or magazine articles, you will be receiving these sorts of text in our reading passage 4. So now let us further delay, let us move and find it out what the passage is trying us to say. So the passage, this providing passage discuss about the idea of mechanization of agriculture boosts production returns, and this news article is written from the location Galkot on 30th September. So now without delay, let us move to the questions and then have an idea. So here we are provided with 3 question types as I mentioned before, and the first question type is filling the blanks. Another one is to choose correct alternative, and the last one is to answer the questions. So now let us move to the first question, that is filling the blanks. So fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the text. The words are highlighted. So here in the provided text there are shortened words that are highlighted, and from those highlighted words we are supposed to select the appropriate words that matches the idea provided to us here. So now let us find out first what are the words. Let us underline the words. Okay, so yeah, so the first word that is in a bold form or the highlighted is gradually. Another one is boosting. Next is mulching. Another decades, and then we have disinfection as well. We have livestock and more. We have last one assistant as well. So altogether we are provided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. So did you find any other highlighted words? So okay, yeah, another one is contract. So altogether we have 8 highlighted words. So now being based on these 8 words, we are supposed to know which matches the idea, which matches the question provided to us. Now let us move to the questions. So the meaning of a word dash in the text is the action of helping someone by sharing work. So what would be the appropriate word out of these 8 words that passes us the meaning that the action of helping someone by sharing work? So is it gradually? No. Is it boosting? No. So which one is it? Is it contract? No. So okay. So which one is it? It is of course assistance. So here the answer would be assistance. ASSISTANCE. The meaning of the word assistance in the text is the action of helping someone by sharing work. Now let us move to the another question. The word dash means domesticated animals. So now let us find out which is the appropriate one. Now let us also cross this assistant because we have already used this. So the word dash means domesticated animals. So here which one would be the appropriate one? So gradually, boosting, mulching, decades, disinfection, livestock, contract. So which one? So yeah, the correct answer would be livestock. So yeah. Now let us move to the another question, and the question reads: the antonym of the word dash in the text. The antonym of the word dash in the text is abruptly. So now let us find out which one is the appropriate word. So we are done with the two words already. Let us cross this livestock as well. And now let us find out which one matches the idea over here. Antonym of the word abruptly. So is it gradually, is it boosting, is it mulching, is it decay, is it disinfection, or the contract? Which one do you think would be the correct answer? So while finding out the words, if you have a confusion, make sure that you be very watchful about the provided word. That is, here we are provided with the word abruptly, and this word is passing us the idea that this is adverb. We can identify that this is the adverb because of the appearance of the ly at the last. So now let us find out the word that is adverb. Out of this different highlighted words, which one is the adverb over here? So yeah, gradually. If you fail to know the meaning of the appropriate word, you can use this technique as well. So the correct answer would be, of course, gradually. So yeah, let's write out here GRADUALLY. Now another question. The question reads, a protective covering is sprayed on the ground to prevent erosion, maintain soil temperature, etc. is the meaning of the word dashed in the text. So which is the word that passes us the idea of the covering sprayed on a ground to prevent erosion, maintain soil temperature, etc. Let us find out over here. We're already done with the gradually as well, so let us cut this. So is it boosting, or is it mulching, or decay, or disinfection, or the contract? So yeah, the correct answer is mulching, mulching. So a protective covering is sprayed on the ground to prevent erosion, maintain soil temperature, etc. is the meaning of the word mulching. So now let us move to the last question from the question number A, and the statement reads, the period of 10 years is called. So what do we call to a 10 years period? So of course it is quite simple, decades. So yeah, now as we are done with the number A, let us move to question number B. Now in this question number B, we are supposed to choose the correct alternatives to fill in the gaps. Now let us go through the question first. So the question number first reads, a new technology has helped the farmers to do what? A new technology. Let us mark the keyword new technology over here. So what is this new technology has helped? In what way this new technology has helped the farmers? One is to produce and earn more, to gain new insights on farming, and to make their tasks easier. Now let us find out reading the above text over here. So farmers here have gradually adopted machines in agriculture, thereby boosting production and returns. The high-tech tunnel, drip irrigation, and mulching technologies are common these days. So farmers here have gradually adopted machines in agriculture and thereby boosting production and return. So after the adaptation of machines in the agriculture, the production has been boosted. So here now the new technology has helped the farmers. So boost refers to the idea of more production. The production has been more than that of the previous year. So here the new technology has helped the farmers to produce and earn more is the correct one. Now let us move to the another question. And the question reads, according to Sapkota, his production dash after he adopted machines in agriculture. Now we are supposed to find out what Sapkota says about his production. So whether it slightly grew, or it doubled, or has not changed. Let us find out. So what happens after you adopted machines? So now here we have Tilochan Sapkota. The Tilota Sapkota is one utilizing modern technology in agriculture, actively involved in agriculture for 3 decades. And Sapkota from Dhodheni of Baglung municipality shared that he was able to double the production with the adaptation of mechanization. So here we receive the answer, and the answer is, so after he adopted machines in agriculture, his production doubled. Now let us move to number C. Mr. Sapkota has been engaged in farming. So now we are supposed to know the duration. So what is the duration of his engagement in the farming? So is it for his whole life, or for 3 decades, or for more than 3 decades? Now let us find out for the word decades over here. So which passes us the idea of time here. So here we have decades. Now let's find out whether this is correct or not. So Tilochan Sapkota is the one utilizing modern technology in agriculture, actively involved in agriculture for 3 years. So it's quite simple. So yeah, Mr. Sapkota has engaged in farming for 3 decades. So now let us move to the another question, and the question reads, according to Mr. Sapkota, he is dash. What is he? According to Sapkota, what is he going to do? Either planning to add more machines, or going to expand agriculture and make it pesticides free, planning to afford higher education to his children. What is he planning to do? Let us find out up over here. So okay, where has he mentioned about his plans over here? So okay, here we have, I can see the word planning over here. So okay, according to him, so what is he planning to do? So he is planning to expand the agricultural farm and make it pesticide free. So okay, now the correct answer would be that he is going to expand agriculture and make it pesticide free. Now let us move to the last question from number B. That is, there are dash members in Sapkota's family, 3, 4 and 5. So how many members are there in Sapkota's family? Let us find out where he have discussed about his family. So okay, let us search here. So here we can find here sons over here. One son, another one of his sons is in USA, another is in Australia. Here 1 plus 1. Any other family members over here? We can find over here Sapkota himself plus 1, assisted by his spouse and the youngest son, Sagar, spouse, and over here him, another son is Sagar, the youngest one. So altogether, how many family members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He, his spouse, his youngest son, and his 2 sons who are abroad. So here there are 5 members in Sapkota's family. Now let us move to the another question, and the question reads, answer these questions. So where was the news story written from? So now we are supposed to know the location where the news story was written from. So here I had mentioned it in the very beginning. The news story was written from Galkot. So the news story was written from Galkot. So now let us move to another question that says, what innovative idea has Mr. Sapkota used to modernize his agriculture? Write any two. So we are asked to write over here innovative idea that Sapkota has used to modernize his agriculture. We are supposed to write any two. Let us find out. Okay, over here, can you see anything that he has discussed? So okay, where is he? What are the innovative ideas that he has used in order to modernize his agriculture? So here I can see he is running high-tech tunnel farming, and he has also applied drip irrigation and mulching technologies in each plastic tunnel. So okay, so any two. So one, high-tech tunnel farming. Next, he has applied drip irrigation. So okay, and here the answer is the innovative ideas that Mr. Sapkota used to modernize agriculture are here. I already wrote over here. So yeah, is high tech tunnel farming and application of the drip irrigation. Now let us move to the another question, and the question reads: how can you say that Mr. Sapkota is an experienced farmer, experienced in farming? So how can we say that he is experienced one? So is experienced. So what makes a person experienced? So because of his involvement, right? So we can say that he is experienced one because of his involvement. He has been saying that he has been doing his commercial livestock farming for 32 years. He has started adopting the technology for 5 years. He has doubled his income. So he is not only into this provides us the idea that he is not new one, but rather he has been practicing, he is into farming since a very long period of time. So yeah, okay. So now here, how can you say that Mr. Sapkota is an experienced farmer? We can say that Mr. Sapkota is an experienced farming because of the time or because of the duration he has invested into. So that is 3 years, that is 3 decades or 32 years to be particular. So now, is Tilochan Sapkota a successful farmer? How can you say that Tilochan Sapkota is a successful farmer? How? Now let's find out the answer above. So how can we say that he is a successful farmer? So yeah, here he has mentioned about his farming. I have mentioned over here, and he says he has been doing commercial livestock farming for 32 years, adoption of technology for 5 years, and then okay, because of this he's selling of tomatoes, he's raising local fish. So yeah, so so we can say that Sapkota is a successful farmer because of his involvement, not only in the because of his involvement in livestock farming for these 32 years, and also because of his involvement in multiple tasks, not only into farming but also into the production of milk and the raising of the local fish, as well as also most importantly, he has been able to provide jobs to 2 persons on the contract basis. So this provides us the idea that he is quite successful, and as he is also earning, his earnings has also been doubled, and he has also been able to provide jobs to the others. So okay, now who helps Mr. Sapkota on his farm? So who helps him on his farm? So okay, now let's find out the answer. Here the answer is in the very last line, and that the last line reads: Sapkota is assisted by his spouse and the youngest son, Sagar. So who helps him? So who helps Mr. Sapkota on his farm? So Mr. Sapkota on his farm, or the Mr. Sapkota on his farm is helped by his spouse and his son, Sagar. So I guess I made you guys solve the questions properly. Thank you.